Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you the latest update from Pibor, Kapoeta, loner politics and unity state. Stay with us as we cover all these important stories in detail. Remember to subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get all breaking news update as they happened. Let's start with our first top story. Pibor and Kapoeta use clutch. Our first story comes from Greater Pibor administrative area, where recent clashes have left 11 people dead. According to officials, the violence happened on Wednesday between local youth from Pibor and youth from Greater Kapoeta in eastern Equatorial State. Jacob Wershum, the Minister of Information in Greater Pibor, said the incident took place mid-morning at Moresh in Moruo, Vertes County. He explained that army individual from the Toposa tribe in Kapoeta East launched an attack on Pibor area. The clashes were intense, and according to Minister Wershum, 4 local people from Pibor were killed, while 7 attackers also lost their life. Fortunately, no women or children were hurt and no livestock were harmed during this confrontation. Minister Wilson praised the bravery of local youth who defended their communities and successfully pushed the attacker back into Kapoeta East County. He also called on the leader of Eastern Equatoria to take serious steps to prevent further violence along the border areas. He said, and I quote, "We strongly condemn this ongoing cycle of violence against our communities. We urge the leadership in Eastern Equatoria, especially the governor and local authorities, to work hard to stop these repeated attacks. The people of Greater Pibor remain committed to peace and good relations with all our neighbors." On the other side, John Elia Ahaji, the information minister in Eastern Equatorial State, confirmed, the attack, and he added that, and he explained. Petrol found Pibor youth preparing for a raid when they met Toposa youth doing the same thing, and then fighting broke out within. He also mentioned that detailed information about casualties is still being collected, and officials are working to understand exactly what happened, what really took place. This clash reminded us of the fragile peace in border areas of South Sudan. Local communities often face tension, and authorities are calling for calm, cooperation, and dialogue to prevent future violence. Our second top story is about Lower SPLIO leadership change. In political news, the Lower faction of the SPLIO has made a major leadership change. The high-level committee of the Lower SPLIO has removed Honorable Paul Maidang from his position and appointed Dr. Isaac Quit the Gang as the new chairman. According to the statement from Dr. Gang, This afternoon, the committee issued a vote of no confidence against Honorable Palmai. The decision came after several charges were raised, though the details are not fully public. Dr. Geng said the committee is committed to restoring strong leadership and unity within the Lord Nuer SPLMIO. He assured members and the public that his leadership will focus on transparency, peace, and cooperation with other committees. This development is significant because the Lord Nuer SPLMIO play an important role in South Sudan peace process. Change in leadership can affect negotiation, regional stability, and community relations. SPLMIO, the SPLMIO role in South Sudan politics, the importance of Lord Nuer leadership, and how this change may impact local governance and peace building. The committee action showed that political accountability is becoming a key focus for regional leaders. Dr. Geng's appointment will be closely watched by both supporters and critics as he began his new role. Let's take a look at our third top story. United States Governor Riek Bim family visit in capital Juba. In lighter news, Governor Riek Bim of United States has arrived in Juba this morning for family visit. He spent some time in Bentiu, the state capital, before traveling to Juba. Governor Riek Bim was warmly welcomed by the Unity State Coordinator, Honorable Ray Hawk, upon his arrival. The visit is personal, but it also shows the close connection between state leaders and the people they served. Family visits by leaders are important. They remind us that even public officials have personal life and need time to spend with loved ones. While in Juba, Governor Bim also met community leaders and discussed development project for Unity State. And that brings us to the end of today's news report on Changfied. We cover the daily clash between Pibor and Kapoeta youth, the Lord Nuer SPLMIO leadership change, and the Governor Riek Bim family visit in Juba. We remind our viewers that peace and cooperation are key to better future for all communities in South Sudan. Joban lingwas me banarwaj no kaler ishukujok rewicha ka South Sudan. Kan kono ni ami jiram jirit gwas me dongo jen channel am ko jen go ben ka Changfied YouTube channel. Naga jen jinderi channel there is support no ka there shonkel ka Changfied YouTube channel committee mi berida shwa mala shube. Joban lingwas me re ler kana me banarwaj ka mandan shora lahat. Shalari wone na dor shal ke Pibor kana Kapoeta chimani ken chigi nyan walle dia je ken kor changame any story bi aling mendana chitwo ka greater Pibor administrative area. Pibor administrative area dor jaba ke dor murlene jalado ken chaka mak no an godana chaka maktin ken jaba chagan nek watch Quran yito kineri cho well kelchiga liuten. According to official chalado Quran yito ka changa joka jok che local use dor shal ke Pibor watch kan nek na kenere to chaka mak anere shal ke ngani greater Kapoeta kisen Equatoria la ngani ji Equatoria kan ekona chijien. Jacob Wershum, Minister of Information, ka Greater Pibor Administrative Area, Jalado Nena, Chaka Mak. Chaka Mak Runwang and Wale, Wadashale Morich in Morowo, Vertes County. Jalado Nena, a Jan Guaranchico Toktin, Dor shall get Kapoeta tribe ka Kapoeta is she can murleni ke jabe chicken kamak dor dana ticketing an kurum wa kurum di long ka do branch minister worship jalat keja chane dang wan ke local people ne rekon la jewich chane wan chane ka ka Pibor ka jimurle achikala do ne dang baro tin chana ka chikala do kanetin kontin be tin chakama ne dang baro ke ngani Kapoeta is tin be ka Taposa la Taposa tribe chagan ne dang baro re kurman gwani mo shigwe lo ken hok ken ka kwal are larga man chalat gwas me watale yang mishabar ke tele mishanaktin no chalan yen wo ka changa gat ki shekhana bern wen gwal dan ci kore toktin dundo shi kurme to ka ne wel kel chaganak are kurma ba jojen gwan wone na local community ne dan wan kane content Taposa chana ne dang baro minister worship no minister worship charajan no she maneken la local use she community en chikana gang ala ne de konti la morle she kan ngane Kapoeta she kan joy gwadran ci kor she tokten ngai kon ne ditiri shal ke morle la kan gala kan ka kwal nan kan hok kana ji Kapoeta ti wache chuini kan boka do dana la ka ma ka je kan ditine chala do ben go kan de kontin la murleni wa they were ready also they can Kapoeta they can kama go down ticketing ci ji sen ko tiran wan mi ji en kan yo ma ka nyam jan do dana to kor ke je ka jo mi chala gwas mi ko report la netin kontin la tila information ni anong ke murleni wa kan la mono chane wel kel chane ne mana ke ne dang baro ka netin konti la jite posa lo mi la yen ngodo ba wa mo kwa collect information e kan ya jo me chajalat chikala do ne cha din cha na ngwa mo no be kan go the content work ke tin to tin ba ka bit right now do ko la ro ne kum so Sudan ngum shikan ne di shalti murleni ti shikan ndier ka chicken jongle chicken duck chicken apnal chicken duck ana gwada mo wona ke Equatoria la we ke bekan gad bekan ko nang ka chaka kep chongo kuma kirmi yadit why amo reason den me chicken latin na mone kana me re ne la gala kanan ka mane ta jo ka ne di jek chi ne ko ne ti nang ka ma god they are kidnapping children abducting children and yet still kirmi yadit government does not do anything about this. So there la tiko ngum no kire lonko we can murle use we can kala no we can operate kata jegala kana ledana Jordan gwasame lonwer SPLA leadership chan la SPLA leadership wa te katicho den ger SPLA wa chicken kwar chicken kwany high level committee kalonwer SPLA wa chicken honorable Palmai dang chicken watch ka position there cha Dr. Isaac Kwetgang cha ja kwanya la new chairman ka jom chalat gwasame Dr. Geng ka jan korshang dara paiwo chala do nena chi committee chi ka nyur ka cha Palmai deng ka Palmai cha ja joj commission can no vote of no confidence honorable Palmai deng cha ja joj no wa do badana wo kije wa te kitan wanda kan luan kamila daka re kumaka jendo dana kabje pingaje ne to control SPLA yo Dr. Gang chala do ne jeni broader committed ko be mandanan gorke de lat be jalat gor jeno de ne dialde kan te unity ka SPLA yo ka joran chala dum lat kan no kan honorable Palmai kan jalwang ngoda tike jeno lada kel ka do dana lekja so changte weakness mi talk dan go jeno bna jal kel cha jo mo cha jetu so mi shirne me mi choda lare wichin winemi chi leadership me cha ja ger shirmen chanen ka jen warga nen kon mo gwata me warga me mi cha gor cha ja gor ka SPLA lo nuer SPLA yo ka do bra na gor jeno de leadership dar woni am ka je ko wate ka te gap te ka gap te gor ka no de yale ka jen mu kan warga mu ko na gor ka je cha jo me cha ja kwen goro de yana ling Laruden gwas membana right ke kwi Unity State Governor Riek Bim jana wacha ore yuke juba cha oje ke chairman. Governor Riek Bim top cha jan Unity State ka ja chubra yuke juba wale. Ka jan koron wangda. Jana wa wire yuke juba ko weje ke chairman ke jidware. Wajan jate ka kor gwanumber ka bintio kana ben ka state capital. Wajan kule bani jama ko juba ko be chairman ke baga bigil ke shek da ka gat and never wanting content marketing. Governor Riek Bim charge lure ne Ramadan Unity State Coordinator Honorable Ray Hawk ka chop da wiki juba wan when mo gwaldan je chop tere wiki juba wajen be ka kwar ko kende dita long Ray kumaka kan kwarto bigger let ka dog dan de Unity State de lat ke je you know all the thing unity peace building kan development dan de la ray wiki Unity State with me wajen do dan te tan nyok badi wajen be jek ka kwar ko ken kwar di de wona ka kirmi yadit and Governor Bim so chajo me chajo kwen gorno de yen linga do dan je to ko ja ka leran content gorno de nywa ya kel no wala shi aka linga de diala kondi chodien lat to ko ko chinete te murle ni shi kinyi ga jika poeta bene ko antama cha kuma swela yo cha jale ger bene ko antama cha to ko shi Governor Bim top cha chubre wiki Unity State diality kana kona lat ko rodien an ban nyogo jikale rodien shi je pero jin wojin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi je support ka bi subscribe an bi atmal bye bye.